Welcome to NeoEnglish, where you learn practical English fast. Today, we're talking about some exciting news in gaming, a possible Chrono Trigger remake.
Hi everyone. If you love video games, you might know Chrono Trigger. Today, we'll talk about a news article with important words, phrases, and grammar guides for beginners.
Emma, the news article says, Dragon Quest creator Yuji Horii may have just let the cat out of the bag about a Chrono Trigger remake during a panel at Comicon Napoli.
That's really exciting for fans. But first, let's explain, let the cat out of the bag. It means to reveal a secret by accident. For example, oops, I let the cat out of the bag about her birthday party. Or he let the cat out of the bag about the surprise trip.
Great examples. So, Yuji Horii, who created the game Dragon Quest, accidentally said something important during a public talk, a panel, at an event called Comicon Napoli.
A panel is when a group of people sits together to speak to an audience. It's common at events like Comic-Con. For example, there was a panel about new movies at the festival. Or, she joined a panel to talk about digital art.
Yes, and remake is another word to know. A remake is when you make something old again, usually in a new way. For example, they made a remake of the classic movie. Or, this song is a remake of a popular 90s hit.
Now let's talk about the game itself. Chrono Trigger is a famous role-playing game, or RPG, first released in 1995. Many people love it because of its story and fun gameplay.
The article says there have been rumors about a remake. Rumors are stories people talk about, but they're not sure if they are true. For example, there are rumors about a new phone, or she heard a rumor about their wedding plans.
During the panel, someone asked Yuji Horii about remaking old games. He gave an answer that made people think a Chrono Trigger remake could be coming. Seemingly confirmed means it looks like it is true, but we don't have official proof yet.
That's right. Seemingly means it appears to be a certain way, but maybe we are not 100% sure. For example, he is seemingly happy today, or it is seemingly going to rain.
So in simple words, Yuji Horii, the creator of Dragon Quest, maybe revealed a secret at Comicon Napoli. People think because of his answer that a big new version, a remake, of Chrono Trigger might be happening soon.
Let's quickly recap the useful vocabulary and phrases from today. Let the cat out of the bag. Reveal a secret. Panel, a group of people talking to an audience. Remake, make something old again in a new way. Rumor, an unconfirmed story people talk about. Seemingly, appears to be, but not certain.
And here's a short story using these words. Last week, during a panel at Comicon Napoli, Yuji Horii let the cat out of the bag. He talked about a remake of Chrono Trigger, one of the most loved RPGs. People have heard rumors for a long time, but now it is seemingly going to happen soon.
You can use these words every day. For example, if someone shares a secret, say, she let the cat out of the bag. If a group is discussing something, call it a panel. When someone makes a new version of something old, use remake. Talk about things people are not sure about using rumor, and use seemingly when you think something is true but are not sure.
We hope you enjoyed today's lesson and story. If you want to keep learning English with our daily news, you can subscribe to NeoEnglish.
Thanks for joining us. See you next time with more daily English and exciting news stories.
Bye for now.